Hello, welcome to the shower. Today we're diving in the world of luxury. Well, luxurious as showering in an Airstream can get, and that's all due to this beauty right here. It feels great on your feet. It's easy to maintain, easy to clean. It looks really great. And suddenly your luxurious teak mat turns into a slippery soap trap. Ask me, I know. Today I'm tackling heat like a pro with this AirGear sunshade. It's like sunscreen, but for my trailer. So if you're tired of your patio feeling like the Sahara and you want a little bit more privacy between you and the Joneses over there, the AirGear sunshade is a great way to go. Plus, it's Piper approved. The test. I have my thermo gun and I have the sunshade from AirGear. Hello, welcome to the shower. Today we're diving in the world of luxury. Well, luxurious as showering in an Airstream can get, and that's all due to this beauty right here, the Airstream Teak Shower Mat from AirGear. Now, I know what you're thinking. Brad, a bath mat, really? Have you run out of exciting things to review? But yes, a bath mat. This isn't your average soggy piece of fabric that spends half its life in a musty corner. Oh no, my friends. This is a teak shower mat. Teak. It's wood so fancy it sounds like it should come with a personal butler.
Oh, may I offer you some soap, sir? Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Certainly, sir. Oh man, that smells fantastic. Sorry, man. I don't have any cash on me. That's quite all right, sir. How long have you been working here? Oh, I don't work here. What?
Let's talk about why this thing is so cool. First off, it's teak. Teak is like the James Bond of wood. It's durable, it's stylish, and it can take a beating. This mat is made to withstand water, soap, shampoo, and whatever else you can throw at it. It's water resistant, and according to experts, it's naturally resistant to mold and mildew, so unlike other mats, it's not going to smell like a wet dog. Piper knows what I'm talking about. Using a teak shower mat helps your feet dry quicker, so if you're tired of doing that awkward slippery floor foot shuffle across the Airstream, problem solved. Teak wood also has this superpower of being low maintenance. Just hose it off or wipe it off occasionally and you're good to go. No scrubbing needed. But don't get too lazy with it. If you don't rinse it off regularly, soap can build up in the slats and suddenly your luxurious teak mat turns into a slippery soap trap. Ask me, I know. And let's be real, folks. If you're like me, you're already ducking and dodging everything in here. This mat does lift you up a little bit, so if you're already tight on the space, you're going to feel like you've lost a few precious inches. And if you're 6 foot or taller, enjoy showering like a human pretzel. Let's talk about price. This teak mat isn't exactly cheap. You might need to skip a few Starbucks runs to justify it. But hey, can you really put a price on not stepping on a freezing, wet, soggy, slippery floor? Actually, yes. Yes, you can. But hey, if you're ready to embrace the luxury lifestyle, the teak lifestyle, then it's worth it. Because it honestly does look pretty awesome in here, and it feels like you're stepping out of a tropical rain shower spa every morning instead of the tiny aluminum box on wheels that we're in. Is this Airstream Teak Shower Mat perfect? No. But if you can live with a little soap maintenance, a tiny loss of shower space, and the price tag that might make you question your life choices for a second, then go for it. It's durable, it's stylish, and it will make your shower routine just a little bit fancier. Me and my new teak friend here are going to go live our best lives. Until next time, friends, happy adventures. Now, on a serious note, AirGear has a plethora of these mats. They're made for all the different varieties of Airstream showers. Hop on the website, check it out, find yours, get it ordered today. This is a really, really cool thing. I'm so excited to have it in our shower. It's something I wanted to get for a long time. It fits snugly in the bottom. It feels great on your feet. It's easy to maintain, easy to clean. It looks really great. Been very happy with it. We've been using it now for about a month. So it is a really neat option and something to upgrade your Airstream experience and shower experience. Shower that I'm in is a 27-foot front bed. The shower for this one is about the exact same as a 25-foot front bed, and it's not dissimilar from our 30-foot shower. So most of the shower models, except for the corner showers, like the 30-foot bunk, and some of the Caravels and Bambi single axle ones have the corner shower. Those showers are a little bit different, and they have more of a curved roof and angle here than this one is. But I'm 5'9". I can stand in here with my hat on, and my head still does not touch the ceiling. I've been very happy with it so far. Blair says she really likes it too, and I don't slip around and slide around like I used to, so I'm thankful to have that. You can find the link down below to get your Teak Shower Mat from the folks over at AirGear. Love all the stuff that they have. If you have any questions, please let me know. Happy adventures, everybody. Bye. Hey there, fellow campers and Airstream enthusiasts. Today, I'm tackling heat like a pro with this AirGear sunshade. It's not just about keeping cool. It's about transforming your campsite into your own little private oasis. First, this carrying bag is really nice, and storage bag. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, look at this fancy UV resistant fabric. It's like sunscreen, but for my trailer. Check out these custom anchoring kits, because nothing says I'm ready for a hurricane like bright orange bungee cords and sandbags. To install this bad boy, you're going to need a drill with a 9/64 inch drill bit, a rivet kit, your instructions, and these little rivets and snaps. You can even get your safety vest and safety glasses if you're doing this in a high wind, high trafficked area. Let's make this trailer cooler, literally. You can see our friends at A Little Bit Unhitched, Sam and Lauren, install this. They do a wonderful install video, so I will defer to them for all the details on how to install this, but check them out if you get a chance. It's also on the AirGear website. The AirGear sunshade installs onto the Zip-D awning with one-time snap installation. So let's line up those snaps, take a deep breath, and remember, only drill once. No pressure. First thing I'm going to do is lay out the awning to get it centered. Now that you have that first snap on, you just hook it up and easily measure out the rest. Voila! Instant shade, instant privacy, and a side of I look like I know what I'm doing. I'm very impressed with my work today. There you have it, folks. This shade is going to keep the sun from turning our trailer into a giant baked potato and provide some much needed privacy from that overly curious neighbor. It's a win-win. Those stainless steel snaps and grommets make sure it's built to last, and these things are quality material. So if you're tired of your patio feeling like the Sahara and you want a little bit more privacy between you and the Joneses over there, the AirGear sunshade is a great way to go. Plus, it's Piper approved. Test. I have my thermo gun and I have the sunshade from AirGear. I'm going to measure the ground right here by the tire because that's a good hot spot right now, right by my kettlebell there. And I'm going to put this up and see what the temperature change is. Let's put this thing on and see what we get. So I have a set of these little sandbag weights from Hyperwear. I use these for a kettlebell, I have them for a dumbbell, I have them for a bar to do bench press, deadlifts, and overhead presses and things like that with. So these will work perfect for my sandbags for the shade. I didn't mention these much the other day, but the Velcro that the top goes on is really nice. You hook this into the grommet here and then hook it onto your sandbag. And again, you can pull these out some, whatever you want to do with them, but I'm just going to put one on each corner. It's just a slight breeze today, and it ain't going to do much for the sun. I'm just now realizing that because of the angle of the sun. But so the gravel not in the shade is 123. The gravel in my awning shade is 100, and the gravel in the sunshade is 105. So just having it up for that short amount of time, it drops the temperature just by this alone. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button down below for more tips, tricks, and plenty of craziness with me. Until next time, keep it cool out there, and happy adventures, everybody. Good girl. And this shower has been a soapery slip mat. And this shower itself is always a soap slip. But hey, if you're already But hey, if it's not about keeping your, it's not about how to install this from, what is their name? The sunshade installs and on, can you sit? Wait. Sit. Oh, sit up. Stand up.